Hello student, today we are going to learn fundamental of C language. To create or write a program in C language, what is the fundamental requirement? First, character use in C. For writing a program, we use English alphabet, uppercase letter A to Z, capital A to Z, lowercase letter small a to Z. For write a program, we use English number from 0 to 9. Okay. For write a program, we also use some special character plus, minus, asterisk, ampersand, hash, this is underscore, this is open parenthesis, this is close parenthesis, this is percentage, this is question mark. Okay. Now, different types of constant. Constant mainly two types. एक numeric constant, number two character constant. Numeric constant again divided into two groups, integer constant and real constant. Character constant divided into two groups, single character constant and string constant. Okay. Now, what is constant? Any unchanged value in a program during the execution is called constant. Constant can never change their value. The constant value is locked for duration of the program. Okay. Now, types of constant in C language. In C language, different types of constant. First, what is integer constant? What is integer constant? An integer constant is a sign or unsigned whole number whole number. For example, minus 25 plus 350, 42, etc. Okay. Now, what is real or floating point constant? Any sign or unsigned number with fraction part is called real or floating point constant. Real or floating point constant. Example, 0.254 is a real constant or floating point constant, plus 342.0, it is a real or floating point constant, minus 3.15, that means it is the decimal form. It is decimal form. This is decimal value, this is decimal value, this is decimal value, or 0.218 E6, that means 0.218 into 10 to the power 6. Okay. Or 0.42 E minus 32, that means 0.42 into 10 to the power minus 32. Okay. Or minus 1.0 E12, that means minus 1.0 into 10 to the power 12. This is up to this. This is exponential. Okay. Now, what is character constant? Any single letter or character given within single quotation, is called as a character constant. Example, within single quotation y, within single quotation s, within single quotation 2 character. Now, what is string constant? What is string constant? Any string of character, that means any sentence consisting of letters, digits and symbol enclosed in double quotation, double quotes, is called string constant. Okay. For example, within double quotation, total value is. For example, within double quotation, Chennai dash 60000 41. For example, within double quotation, average equal to. Okay. Now, what is variable? A variable can be used to store a value of any type. Any type means integer or float, etc. And this value varies or changes during the program execution. Variables can change their value at any times. Okay. A variable is a named memory location which temporarily store data that can change while the program running. Okay. Suppose we want to declare three variables, all of type integer, three variable all of type integer, then the declaration would like, this must be small letter, we declare would look like int num1. This is the variable. This may be A or B or C. Int integer variable, type, and num2. This is the variable. Int type and num3. This is the variable. Here num1, num1, num2, num3 are variable name, and all these variables are type integer. Okay. So only integer values within the range of -32768 to 32767 can be assigned on the. Another point
is to be noted that when we are using all the variables of same type, all the variables are same type, they can be declared in one statement like int, num1 variable, num2 variable, num3 variable. These three variables all are integer. In one line we declare int num1, num2, num3 semicolon. Our next step is to assign values on them. num1 equal to 10. We assign in this way, semicolon. num2 equal to 20, semicolon. In the above statement, we have assigned value on NUM1 and NUM2. This process is also known as initialization of variable. This process is called initialization of variable. Okay. Now we can also assign value on a variable while declaring it in same line int num num1, this is the variable, equal to 10 semicolon. In this way we can also assign a variable. Okay, so the basic form of a variable declaration, what is the basic form? First type, next identifier, next equal to value. Here type means the data type of variable, data, which type of data, integer or float data. Identifier is the variable name, identifier is the name of the variable, and value is the initial value of the variable, initial value of the variable, which is optional, which is, this part is optional. Okay, it is clear, my student? Thank you.